In this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp automations to save time. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Select the list that you would like to automate. In the top right corner, select Automations, Create Automation. Pick a trigger like tasks or subtasks. Then you can add an action, for example, send a direct message. The message will say, "All the best, you've got this." You can then select the person that this message will be sent to. And once you have completed that, select Create. Now, when a task has been created, then a direct message will be sent to the assignee. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.